say enough about the courage of Margarito, completely outclassed here. But will not give up. Here's the last round of the championship. They should have stopped the fight as early as the 11th, maybe the 10th.
Projection sa camera.
Well, but you're giving Margarito this chance.
Yes.
I guess you know everything that you
Oh!
know.
Yeah!
And this is something I think the whole team and the corner knows about Margarito. And they're hoping na baka sila partner.
You know, Margarito can give it, but he can also take it. Yes, good point, very good point. Now, the security here just fixing everything so that there is proper flow of people at the end of this fight because people is disturbed and attack the ring. In the meantime, back to the top of the ring, Pacquiao continues to pour it on. Oh, Margarito with a huge shot that did show Pacquiao.
Well, this is the last round, partners, and the money can just up to close, but he is not. He's still staying with Margarito.
You know, the blood of the trunks of Pacquiao all from Margarito. Can't help but admire the defensive job that Pacquiao did here today. The bombs were there, that was expected, but the defensive job, the strategic job he did.
But you know, no, the proof really that the heavy fighter can really, hurt the smaller fighters can be seen here. Manny also has some small work on his face na hindi naman siya tinamaan na marami.
But not as bad as when he was hit in the Cotto fight. A minute to go.
And I think people are signaling that the fight could be stopped. Yeah. And the crowd is getting restless.
Do you sense something that Manny Pacquiao might be holding back a little bit?
Clearly, he's holding back.
Not for any reason, but for just to be sporting about the whole thing. Not you unleashing the full force, really.
Well, he just has to get away. 30 seconds left before the end of this fight. Or will make history.
Still pouring it on. 20 seconds.
Good 20 seconds.
Margarito will visit the hospital, most likely, definitely. But second him. 10 seconds. We're all excited about
Heavyweight na lang. Heavyweight na lang. Mas maganda heavyweight na lang.
Laksan! Napala siya, kayabang.
Ano, boss?
Maganda heavyweight na Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao, yeah.
It's the Pacquiao.
Beat that! Beat that! Yo! California, USA! Live in Dallas!
Pangit na kasi yung mukha. Eh, tinalo na si Pacquiao eh. Angat na si Pacquiao, di ba? Umangat na.
We're in California. Drinking in California. This is live. We're watching Manny Pacquiao. Number 1! Yeah!
Halo nga. Tapos mapag-ina naman sa YouTube. Sa California sila siya.
Baby! Hailey!
Si Riley. Si Riley. Yeah! I can't understand you, man.